Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. Welcome to the program Consciousness and Evolution. This presentation is brought to you by Representation International and Isaac and Juris Cons. My name is Ana Yogan. I'm here representing Representation International, a conscientiocentric institution dedicated to consciential re-education. You can find our page, Representation International, at YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Today we are talking about mega fraternity, the cosmic sharing of self-love and mega strong traits. Mega fraternity is a sublime state of consciousness, arising from the interexistential cooperation with the cosmos. It transcends the narrow perspective of the planet and humanity. This profound fraternal energy dissolves boundaries and guides us towards lucid universalism and evolved extra-physical communities, where mega fraternity itself becomes the prevailing holotheme. So without further ado, let's welcome Professor Marcelo Silva. He's a very known person that dispenses presentations, but we are going to do just a brief one. Marcelo Silva is an economist with a master's degree in administration and a doctorate in society, culture, and borders. He has been a researcher of conscienciology since 1991. He has been a volunteer since 1994, and he is a conscienciology professor since 1996. He has been a Penta practitioner since 2006 and a consciential epicenter since 2012. He is also a verbetographer and a co-author of the volume 2 of Consciential Gestations, printed in 1996, and of the book Penta, Lucid Interdimensional Assistance, printed in 2014. He is currently a volunteer of Juris Cons, International Jurisprudence Conscientiocentric Institution, and Ectolab, International Association of Laboratorial Research in Ectoplasmy and Parasurgery. So this event is available to you through the collaboration of Reaprendência, Isaac, and Juris Cons. This event will be held in Portuguese with a simultaneous translation. The camera will remain closed, and we are going to do the questions through the chat. To access the room's translation, press on the menu with the three dots, and then to the globe to access the room with the translation. This is an amending to the original version in Portuguese that had some part of the translation lost. So Professor Marcelo also has some research interests, which concerns of megafraternology, paradigmology, projectiology, infectiology, ectoplasmology, and graphotocenology. He's currently writing a book about projectiology, which is the phenomenon that he first experienced when he had contact with the ideas of conscienciology. And first of all, let's talk about the principle of disbelief. Do not believe in anything, not even in what you were told here. Experiment, have your personal experience. This principle has a lot to do with anti-brainwashing, because the contents that we present, any contacts in conscienciology, we deeply recommend that you do not believe in anything. It's not about dogmas. It's not about truth. It's about experimenting. It's about having your personal experiences. So the term fraternal refers to or pertains to brothers, affectionate, and it was introduced in the 16th century. In the 17th century, the word fraternity appears from the Latin fraternitas or fraternatis, which signifies kinship between brothers or brotherhood. It was emphasized in the French Revolution, which had the three principles: fraternité, égalité, and liberté. Now we are going to go back to the original version with the translation into English.
But we have this as a principle, as a forgotten principle. But what is a forgotten principle? Because it gains a lot of power in the French Revolution in politics. So help everything to bring everything in the people's relationship. So every time we use that the term fraternal, I always think is how it took so long, why it took so long to get a term together in our society. So why is it's important? So fraternity, every time you put it together, people together as an animal, as a political animal, you need to have some kind of rules of relationship, of how we're gonna be able to live between ourselves. So who has a preference? So how can we study this kind of rules and how we can live with more harmony? So the feeling of fraternity, it starts with this. So you started to bring a code of behavior, and then you think about that some equity. So that's where the idea of a fraternity comes from. Otherwise, we're going to be living like barbarians. Like the idea of eye by eye, teeth by teeth. This is something that used to be back in the days, but we have to create better so we can have a relationship between ourselves in a more fraternity with more harmony. So that was the idea of seeing each other as in a brotherhood. In that in the French Revolution, we bring it more. So there was a triad, the liberty, equality, and fraternity gaining strength with the French Revolution. So in society, we need to have some freedom. We will have to be able to have that freedom to pick, but then there's a limit, and the limit is whenever we have that other one's freedom too, we have to be treated in an equal way, regardless of the person's religion or behaviors or cultures. It comes the belief of fraternity and treating ourselves like brothers. Then it comes with many institutions and other information declaring that with and with other institutions also, like United Nations and so on. So the principle of liberty and equality. So every since of us, whenever was as a child, to see nobody needs to be treated you or by your skin tone or like that. But that's something. In other lives, I had different kind of other bodies, other or skin color too. But you have the right to be treated as everybody else together. So that's part of the freedom. Nobody can not allow you to go somewhere because of the color of your skin. You should be able to go everywhere. But it's so I heard very much when I was growing up about liberty and equality, but I didn't hear about fraternity very often. So our society, mostly our West world, we put it everything together with this structure, with our institutions, with our law, and every states and nations. He brought that idea of liberty and equality. of be treating equally. And then fraternity, throughout this process, it came more towards religion too. So it brings more of a theme of their interest, more religions, okay, or philosophy. You think about fraternity is more philosophical, because if you bring that to society, it's a very hard concept to bring it together. So liberty and equality was able to put it together very much, very easy, but fraternity not that much. That's one of the reasons why we use that term as a forgotten term, okay? So there's one of intellectual also said that because liberty and equality, said if fraternity would be used as together as liberty as equally, people be asking between themselves, if this act that I'm going to do, this behavior I'm going to have now, besides being besides having respect towards my liberty and equality, does it have to do also with a fraternity too? So if society use fraternity in laws as much as liberty and equality,
isso mudaria toda a nossa sociedade.
it would be our society would be completely changed than what it was right now, because that's one of the decisions that we have to think very often too. This act that I'm going to take now, it is a fraternal
Isso, eu
kind
queria
of
fazer
act.
uma pergunta, porque
Por favor.
eu moro aqui nos
So I
Estados
have a question
Unidos
here
e na
because I do live in the
Constituição
United
está
States, and
escrito a
the
questão do
U.S. Constitution,
egalitarismo.
we do
Como que
have
isso
that
se relaciona com a
egalitarian.
fraternidade?
What is the relationship
Porque
between
apesar
egalitarian
desse ser um
towards
princípio
fraternity?
adotado,
Because this is something that
os
we
Estados
use.
Unidos são
So
um
the
dos
United
países
States,
com maior índice de
it's
racismo
it's a country that
no mundo.
has a lot of racism too.
E, no meu ver, isso é uma
So in my
contradição, mas eu
views,
gostaria
this is a
da
contradiction
pessoa
that
input
I
nessa
see,
questão.
but I would like to
Sim.
have
Há uma
an idea
contradição,
too.
né? Porque a
So yes, there is a
Constituição
contradiction too,
liberal
because the
traz a equidade.
constitutions in
Mas a
different
forma com
worlds,
que os
they're
estados
gonna
assim
have
foram constituídos
but in
fazem
the
com
way
que
that the
não
states work
tenhamos
together, we're
imaginários
having to make like
fronteiras geográficas
invisible
constituídas
borders
historicamente que fazem
built in that
distinguir as pessoas que estão
making
do
any
lado de
kind
um
of
hemisfério ou do
establish a
meridiano ou do
difference
outro,
between people
quando somos todos
between on the
seres
other
humanos.
side of the
E
fence
essa
there.
distinção, essa distinção
And
histórica
even though we are all human
tempo a
beings,
gente conseguir
so this is something
reconstruir uma outra
that is can be
mentalidade.
very hard
Daí a
to
ideia da
rebuild a different kind
mega-fraternidade ser um princípio
of
que vai
uh,
trazer uma mentalidade
of
para as
mindset
pessoas
too. So the fraternity
rumo
is
a
gonna
estado
change very much
ideal,
on
rumo a
mindset
estado em que a gente vai
towards
ver a
more
coisa de maneira
towards
mais ampla,
like a
não
world
seccionada
like
como nós
a
somos vistos hoje,
like a
como você
world
foi para o
government.
Brasil, você nos Estados Unidos,
So
eu
even
sou
though like I'm here in
uma
Brazil,
pessoa em
you in
outra
the United
parte do
States,
mundo,
or if
então
you
há
can
de
be
fato
any
uma
other places,
incoerência
there
e
is
em certa parte se
it is
deve a
not
esse
very
processo da gente
coherent.
valorizar muito o princípio da liberdade, da
So it has
igualdade
to do
e
very
do
much to what I
princípio
was
da
saying, that
fraternidade.
how we
E a hora que esse
value
princípio
so
começar a
much
ser
more
mais
liberty and
útil, e
equality,
aqui no
but not
Brasil
so
também, eu
much
não sei como que se dá por
fraternity
aí,
too.
ele começa a ser muito mais
So
debatido
here
dentro
in
das
Brazil, we started to
universidades.
talk more about
Tem
that in the
doutorado
college
sobre
universities.
fraternidade hoje
There are
no Brasil,
universities
tem
nowadays about
congressos que
fraternity
estão começando a discutir a
and
partir do
Congress
princípio
about that
jurídico
between
da
the
fraternidade,
principle in law
porque a partir
of
da lei
fraternity.
você induz
Because
comportamentos.
beyond the
Só que no
law,
nosso
whenever
caso,
you
quando
use
nós queremos
the
entender
law,
mais a mega
you can
fraternidade,
change
nós
people's
precisamos
the
colocar
society's
outras
behavior too.
variáveis dentro dessa reflexão, que é a
So we
ideia
have to use
a
other things too.
multidimensionalidade,
Then it
a
comes multidimensionality,
todos aqueles princípios
many
que
lives
trazem
that we
uma
have.
ideia
So
do
all these
essencial. E o fato da consciência se perceber como imortal já faz ela
these
crescer na
principles of the
riqueza da maneira
consensual
como ela pode
paradigm
se
too.
comportar. Porque ela
So
vai
have to see how
inclusionar.
they're gonna
A
have,
vida não
so
começa
they
na
be in
vida
the
de uma
continuous,
uterina e termina
that
na
it
morte dela.
doesn't
Ela vai
start
ter
in that a
Existem
rebirth and
leis
ends in life.
evolutivas
There are
que
some
regem as
laws also,
relações
evolutionary
da lei de
laws
causa e
too,
efeito, por exemplo,
like the
a
law
lei
of
de
cause
Newton.
and effect,
Então as
the
pessoas
law of
começam a pensar de
cosmoethics
maneira
too.
diferente,
So people
inclusive
start
a
to
ideia de
think
fraternidade.
in that different ways too.
Mas é um grande
Okay,
desafio
but that is a
para
great challenge
humanismo
too
inserir
for
a
the
ideia de
whole earth
fraternidade e
too,
buscar
of
normas
use
aplicáveis
more
à
fraternity
mega-fraternidade no
and
mundo.
mega fraternity as well.
Tem uma pesquisadora, né, que ela traz a ideia da
There is a
fraternidade, eu gosto
researcher
dessa definição que a
that he brings a
que ela fala o
definition.
seguinte, que a fraternidade ela teria o condão, ou seja,
The fraternity has the
ela
power
teria o condão de provocar o comportamento
provoking
individual
individual behavior
e
and then taking
responsabilizar-se por
responsibility
outro.
for the condition in which the brother finds himself. I would like to understand more about fraternity, how we see, how connected we are, how do we understand one another, and co-responsible. The fraternity, there is like the environment as well, is sustainability. When we started in the 70s, and then the sustainability concept, and make sure for the generations to come would have, the resources available as well. So your behavior, it is to be responsible for one another.
Fraternidade dentro do dicionário de valores
From a dictionary perspective, from Lourdes Pinheiro,
pesquisadora da conscienciologia. Então, eu gosto dessa definição porque
I like her definition that she brings.
Como que eu vou viver mais a fraternidade?
How am I harmonious on effective coexistence?
Harmoniosa. Então, eu posso analisar o quanto que eu, enquanto consciência,
how am I as a conscious, I'm connected with the other person or harmonized with the other connections? How I can express the connectivity with others, with parents, with relatives, or even people that I don't have that close connection. So equality, and the close proximity with your brother, but also with a person that you don't have that personal relationship. If we look back in the like century at the beginning of the centuries, the 5th century, the fraternity is a conduct that we should have also outside our home. With your parents, you need to have this filial and respect, admiration, gratitude towards your parents. Outside, you should have a fraternal relationship with people that you don't have like a daily relationship, but you also need to have that fraternity. The fraternity belongs to the history, but needs to be discussed more as well. It's even more present in the day-to-day. Bring it to our theme here, or the Max fraternity. Waldo Vieira brought this terminology here. Initially, it was proposed as Max fraternity. It was first entry in the book 700 Experiments, and he brought this. Mega fraternity is a subverted. Bring them is a synonym of a Max fraternity. A subverted synonym of this theme. Initially, he was referred to more to Max fraternity in his writings and his books. He was referring much more of Max fraternity, and then later on changed to Mega fraternity. The 700 Experiments, all the other books. Those initial first books were much more Max fraternity. After that, he started using more the Mega fraternity. In Lao, this is all languages evolve. So this a synonym maybe represents better, or it represents better what the meaning means.
Cosmoética Conscienciológica Internacional.
So the conscienciology community has been utilized than Max fraternity. So that's why it's been realized that Mega fraternity has been more used. Then there was the transition to Mega fraternity. This is the evolution of a language. Like in your other fields, like economy and others. So let's talk about the conceptualizations of Mega fraternity. The definition, and I'm bringing to your attention if you want to, go deep and understand. In 2010, this definition is a definition from a book.
1700 Experimento da Conscienciologia, em 1994. Essa definição já é do livro Nossa Evolução.
So the first definition was in 1994, but in this other book from
Da
2010,
Conscienciologia, mas ele colocou esses dois parênteses
he
quando ele definiu
included this, the parentheses.
no livro Nossa Evolução. E que eu acho que ele é bem explicativo,
It's
ajudando
self-explanatory and helps you understand better. When we think about Marx fraternity, he meant it's a condition of an interconsciential condition, more than one consciousness.
Ela é universalista,
It's universalist,
filosóficos
one of the philosophical principles of the
ela é mais
conscienciology.
evoluída, então,
It's more evolved.
Max Fraternidade,
When we
comparado
think
com
about
conceitos
Max
de
fraternity,
fraternidade, de fraterno,
the
seja pela
fraternity
visão teológica,
from a theology view,
fraternidade,
point of view, or either or different points of view,
perspectiva mais evoluída,
it is a more evolved point of view,
da consciência.
but we are based on a pure
Que
fraternity.
consciência é essa que ele está falando?
And what is this type of consciousness that has two types of approaches? He or she doesn't forgive oneself, doesn't forgive his or her own mistakes, but forgives others' mistakes.
É uma meta inevitável na
So the
evolução.
mega fraternity is an inevitable goal to reach.
Indicativo do que nós queremos dizer.
So that's what it starts to grasp the definition.
Ao que nós tratamos aqui, que vai levar a consciência
The society so far it's been a little bit far from what this concept brings.
Perdoar é saber compreender.
Yeah, forgive it is to forgive it is to understand by helping.
Nós ajudamos e somos
We
ajudados.
help and we are helped in this process,
Da assistência, da
and we learn from
E aí eu
there.
quero então trazer outras definições depois
I would like to
explorar
bring other definitions and explore them a little bit, each of them, in the categories of
a definição
Max
que ele trouxe
Fraternity.
nesse tema, né? Max Fraternidade é a extroversão dos
It's a extroversion of the mega strong traits.
teste da
In the book,
conscienciometria,
100 tests of conscientiometry, 100
uma
tests.
frase. E a outra definição já do
And the
dicionário
other definition, it is the dictionary, the conscientiology dictionary.
mega fraternidade
Mega fraternity is sharing of self-love with the cosmos, capable of leading the lucid consciousness, as well as other conquests to auto-cosmoethicology,
a condição de condutas cosmoéticas, autocosmovisiologia,
autocosmovisiology.
de maneira mais ampla,
He or she
além
sees
das
from a
dimensões
360
das
degrees,
nossas quatro
not only this dimension, but from the multidimensionality
envolver as
perspective.
múltiplas dimensões, as vidas passadas, então isso dá
The seriology or the previous lives,
conduzir a consciência para isso, a autoimperturbabilidade,
and the self-imperturbability. The conscience become more imperturbable, or more stable
mega fraterno.
in mega fraternal.
Transafetividade.
And self-transfectivity.
Consciências independente do gênero.
It doesn't matter which type of consciousness, color, religion. It goes beyond to everything, and even have the fraternal approach. It doesn't matter what the background the other person has.
Vamos dizer, alguns pilares que podem
Those are
ajudar a
some
pensar
pillars that can help us
no dia a dia.
to think how we can apply those pillars.
Refletir de maneira mais prática.
So we can think about those pillars
Mega
in more
fraternidade,
depth.
nós colocamos lá na definição.
The mega
Nós temos
fraternity,
um verbete,
this is from a verbete,
recente, verbete
a more recent verbete from
Ela
Rock
fez verbete chamado
2023.
Mega Fraternidade.
And the verbete was
Então,
mega
ela colocou o
fraternity.
seguinte, a mega fraternidade
Mega
é um
fraternity
sentimento
is
elevado.
the elevated feeling.
Começa já dando um tom. Mega fraternidade é um sentimento elevado. Sentimento
So the
elevado
emphasis on the
é uma
elevated.
forma.
It's more on the mental somatic, more using your brain. It's more sophisticated. So we have our body, which we call the soma, and then the psychosoma, and then it's the mega fraternity much more rational. It's not emotional, but much more rational. And translated by the adjustment of the lucid consciousness to the para laws. The consciousness, it starts to understand the evolutionary laws. It transcends the laws that we have in every country. But they also influence in what I should or shouldn't be doing. But the para laws, they are also here as well. And the more lucid the consciousness is, there are the evolutionary laws in place as well. The Thosin, the concept of Thosin, it's a theory proposed by Aldo as well. There is a relationship with the para law. So the Thosins should be more cosmoethics, more just, more aligned with the cosmos, with the evolution. The mega fraternity, it comes back to the elevated feeling that we are trying to bring in this concept. We bring those elements from para law.
A consciência ser não só na teoria,
those principles, but not only the principles, but make it more practical. When we're talking about the consciential principles, we are talking about plants, animal, even bacteria, those aliens as well. So we need to start looking from these other perspectives as well. It's much more cosmos through universalism and outer cosmos ethicology. That's how the big change here was this new approach of define the mega fraternity in this elevated feeling. If there is any other questions, bring them. There are two questions here. Anne is the concept of a mega fraternity concept. Is it the same? Is the same in every country? Or if there is a difference in each country? For example, even different religions. The cosmoethic process, it's for the consciousness. It doesn't matter which country, language, culture, religion. What changed from country to country, it is the process, the moral process. In some countries, some things that are morally accepted in a country may not be accepted in another country. These are the cultural value and the local values. The cosmoethic transcends those. The mega fraternity, it is the adjustment of the consciousness from the country or global more to the cosmos. It goes beyond this, what we understand from different cultures, different countries, and different regions in the world. My understanding, it is much more ample. It's interplanetary, actually. Maybe in a planet it is accepted, but maybe in another planet it is not. So when we're talking about the cosmos, we're talking about this. When we talk about extra-physical community, it is a discernment of moral. And then you think about it, and then you understand what it is right and what it is wrong. So this level of thinking, it is forces to look at from a very different, elevated perspective, taking into account the multidimensionality and even more beyond the cultures and countries and the local values. But the cosmoethics, it is a process of self-lucidity. It doesn't matter which country or region in the planet. It goes beyond these definitions like we have between countries or religions. Or in a society that the government has a relationship with the religion, so it will impact how the fraternity it is approached by that country, for example. It impacts all under that on that society.
Em termos de comportamento, de autocobrança que pode até levar
so this could push people even to commit suicide. So those values can make it easier or harder to understand and to see is in the mega fraternity.
Leopoldo de Macedo complementa essa pergunta.
He adds to this question the evolutionary of the human rights, and even in different countries, they are trying to get to the elevated approach that transcends the countries. But after the Second World War, all the International Tribunal, it is maybe an initial approach to elevate or have just one understanding. So isn't that the totalitarian countries that we have here right now contrary to this? Yeah, so this is a great question. This is a great question. If you look at the history of humanity, they sometimes take steps back as well. It's not linear. There is sometimes that we evolve, we take steps forward, but sometimes there is another life that you were more lucid, and even the physical body helped to have a better understanding and how it's going to express the consciousness, our manifestation as a consciousness. Even in the society, there is a time lapse that the group of consciousness that are together influencing what's going, even making taking steps back towards fraternity. So we still have like behaviors from Greek times. Yeah, if you bring this of the pre-war, because we were not integrated, the risk of create this destruction of the entire globe was higher, and that's why they came together to become this. There starts to be a movement. It is part of the REALBACs that we start to see more that we are all connected here. We are all connected. So then the tribunals that are started to take into account, like the human rights, even the rights, the animals' rights as well. It's really recent. It's maybe a few decades that we started. At the same time,
a internet está.
Yeah, so we're having some technical issues here.
Você poderia repetir o raciocínio, Marcelo?
Can you repeat, please, Marcelo? Your internet is breaking up.
Repetir qual parte?
Isso,
Então, eu
essa
tava na
última
analogia, né?
parte, porque
So
deu
the
um
last part,
break
yeah,
na
it's
sua
breaking up.
transmissão.
Ah, tá bem. Então, igual a nossa lucidez varia,
So just
enquanto
like our
indivíduo,
lucidity, a level of
né,
lucidity
nós temos uma
of
lucidez
awareness
contínua o dia
is
todo,
not
pode ser
continuous.
que
It
uma
can
manhã
go up and down.
de
Like in the
uma
morning, you can be very lucid, but then after lunch,
pessoa numa
you get a
situação de
little
alta mais
tired.
alto
So
nível de
it's
lucidez, se ela está muito
your level of
agitada, a lucidez
awareness,
pode
it
variar.
can go up and
Assim é a
down.
história. Ela não é
So it's just like
linear,
history.
ela
History is
também tem
like
as
that
suas
too. It is not
variações.
a
Então,
straight
faz
line.
parte do
It
aprendizado
varies
a
it
gente ver
in the
desenvolvimentos que
age
parecem de
in that time.
retrocessos para depois
So
avançar,
sometimes it happens that
avanços
you
e
have to
alguns
take
retrocessos. Faz
one
parte,
step back
né?
to
Então, por
take
que ele
two
está
steps
trazendo a
forward.
relação?
It
Não
is
seria
part.
coerente a
So
gente
it
ter
isn't
cada
be
vez mais
coherent to see
condições
more
no
and more
planeta
conditions
que
in the whole
sejam
planet
totalitárias,
that
ao
is
invés
going
de
to be more
libertárias? Sim, é uma
totalitarian
coerência, mas isso
instead
faz
of
parte
like a
da evolução do
democracy,
próprio planeta.
isn't it? But
Tá?
it's part of
Esse
the evolution
movimento,
of
por
the
outro lado,
planet.
nós temos a conscienciologia,
But don't you
faz
see
com
that
que a consciência
this beginning
social,
portion
as
of
instituições
the
consciência
consensual
cêntricas
paradigm,
fazendo seu
all
trabalho,
these
mas, por exemplo,
institutions
visando o estado
of
ideal,
the
também faz parte da evolução.
of this
E uma
the
grande
small tiny
mudança no
world,
planeta
it is
ocorreu
part
de
of the
uma
start of
forma,
the process.
foram
No
vários
changes in the
micro
planet, it goes
processos que
from
ocorreram,
nowhere, starts
culminaram numa
in the snap of
mudança.
a finger.
É assim
It's some
nesse
small
conhecimento,
changes
depois a
that
gente entra
goes
na
in
alta do
a
conhecimento
graduation and
mais na
changes in the
história,
future. It happens the
são
same thing in
processos que
science,
vão
but in
promovendo uma
history,
mudança
it's like a
que
micro
chega a uma
processes
mudança maior.
that it goes
Então, isso também
throughout,
também é uma
and then
dinâmica
they
de
become bigger,
relevância,
bigger, and
faz
they
muito
do
válido
like
essa
the
reflexão.
change in
E se você
society. So
pegar o
that's
que
part
o
of one of my
Copernicus
perplexes
está
also. So
previsto,
even if you
né,
take
que
a
a gente
look,
vai
one
ter
of the theories
recrudescimentos, vamos ter
of
avanços culturais.
urbanizations,
Então, tem um
there
entendimento
is we see
de um
like that.
lado, como é
So there
fazer
is
somar
a
aqui
balance.
consciências
We are gonna have
reorganizadas, que
more
estavam presas
people
em uma certa
reborn
dimensão
of
há séculos.
consciousness
Então,
that
para que isso
that
consiga
wasn't
uma carência,
in our
uma
planet
tendência de
for many
repetir aqueles
many
comportamentos do
years.
passado,
So they're gonna
mas
have um, the
inadequados para a
same
sociedade no
behaviors
momento que a gente
of
vive.
what
Contudo,
they
com
used to do
novos
back in
instrumentos.
like thousands of
E, por
years
outro lado,
ago,
a gente vê também o
and
movimento do curso
you see
intermissivo,
also that
consciências
of
que se
all
prepararam
many
para ter
consciousness who did
mais
intermissive
lucidez,
course,
terem
who
lucidez
got it
deliberativa,
together
realizarem
to have
documentos,
more
realizarem
awareness. So they're
voluntariado,
going to establish
beneficência,
more
vamos ter
volunteering
assistencialidade.
or the
Isso faz
panta
parte do processo
practitioners
evolutivo.
and so on. So
Tá?
this is part of the
E, no
evolutionary
fundo,
process as well.
é tudo uma
So
grande
deep in
escola
science,
evolutiva.
it is a
Nós
great
aprendemos com
school,
exemplo
evolutionary
e
school. We
aprendemos
learn
também
it
com
through the
concorrência,
examples,
ou
and we
contingência.
example the
Porque a gente aprende
examples,
com
the good
correto
examples and the bad
porque é
examples
correto
too,
como que nós
because
queremos
we
fazer a
learn also
realidade.
in both
Por isso que a
with
mega
both ways.
fraternidade,
So
ela é
that's
um
why mega
processo
fraternity
interconsciencial.
it is
Ou seja, ela não é um
intra-consciential.
fim na pessoa.
So it's
Então,
not
essas
an
são as
end.
variáveis, né? São 7
This is
variáveis que
like
nós vamos
this is
completar esse termo.
variables.
A
So these are 7 variables that
interconsciencialidade,
I'm
ou
putting
seja,
together here.
interconsciencial,
So
universalista, da pura abertura,
interconsciential,
o
the
autoempoderamento,
universalists
o
of
ético,
pure
o
fraternity,
dialeto, a
that
extroversão
the
e a
self
mega afeição, isso é parte da evolução,
forgiveness,
tá? Eu vou falar um
hetero
pouquinho de cada uma
forgiveness,
delas, tá? Na
forgiving
verdade.
others,
Então, interconsciencial, o que
and
você
so on.
faz?
So I'm going to be
Primeiro, para a
talking a little
gente
bit about
desenvolver a
each one,
fraternidade,
okay?
a gente precisa ter contato com o diferente.
So in order to have a fraternity, to be more
Até para a
to have
gente
more
conseguir
fraternity, we need to be in
eliminar as
contact with
fronteiras.
others,
Porque se eu
so
estou
we can
isolado, eu como
establish
si mesmo,
more
não tenho outro que é
that we can
referência.
get away from the
Quando eu
borders.
tenho um
Because if
outro,
I'm
eu tenho
just
uma outra
isolated,
referência, que
I
aí eu
won't have
estou
the reference
manifestando
as
contato
me.
com o outro. E esse
But then,
contato
whenever you have
me
someone else
retorna
with
alguma
you,
informação,
you have
me
that
retorna,
feedback
eu tenho
of information.
feedback, vamos dizer assim. E a
So
evolução se faz a partir
So
disso.
the evolution,
Olha como
it
que eu
goes
estou,
through that attrition,
interconsciencialmente,
that
mas eu olho
feedback.
quais
Or
são os
how
meus
am I?
efeitos ao
But then you see
redor
that
da minha
affects
relação
with my
interconsciencial, que é
relationships
uma
that I
coisa
have
que a gente
with others.
desenvolve nesse processo.
So
Desenvolve também a
fraternity
visão
develops
universalista,
into
a
that
pessoa sair do
age.
instinto,
So also
sair do próprio
and also it gets
então,
with
a
the
prática leva ela
universalist
para o
also.
centro do universo.
So
Nós
the
estamos
person
dentro de um pequeno
stops to think about
planeta,
themselves as the center of the
que é um
world.
planeta que se
As
chama
we are
uma
in the small,
galáxia,
tiny
chamada
world
Via
that
Láctea,
in a
que é uma
galaxy
entre
called
zilhões de
Via
galáxias em
Láctea,
constante
and we
expansão.
are within many others
Então,
kind
a
of
pessoa sair
galaxies,
desse
all of them
egocentrismo infantil,
evolving. So we
instintivo,
get out of
para
this
uma visão mais
selfishness,
universalista.
and
Isso também leva à mega
and
fraternidade.
whenever you start to
Fraternidade é
forget about
tudo,
your belly bottom, you
a
start to
consciência
be
ela
more
quer fazer o quê?
fraternal and think about others
Emprestar
too.
aquele bem a
So
todos,
that
não só ao
pure
seu
fraternity
povozinho,
also, you get
pois há
to
o
that
princípio
stage that you want everybody to be well. So not you don't only think about your own what is only good for you, but to others, everybody else. So So it's like what a lot of people, how a lot of people think and behave. Like the people who I like, I'm going to treat well. The people who I don't like, I hope they don't do well. So it is this kind of thing. It goes against what we're teaching here. So it's the self-forgiving. It is it's whenever you eliminate like a conscious and self-corruptions too. So this not that I'm not talking about like a self-guilt or self-victimization. No, it is different. When you start researching your own self, they are very serious to their own researching. So they are self-forgiving too. They don't wanna, they are doing their best for what they can do for himself or herself. So they start to eliminate the self-corruptions too in a conscious way. So whenever that a person starts to do that, two things might happen. The first one, they're done giving all the best things to himself or herself, and the other, they see how hard it is to actually evolve. So whenever they look into other consciousness in their relationships, personal relationships, they start to have they start to feel more about forgiving others too, because then start to see others with in a fraternal eye, in a fraternal way. Think that try to focus on what they have, on that are the good traits that they have, and understanding that they have some bad traits as well. So we start to be more in more serious in that way with yourself, but then with outside, with others, with forgiveness, hetero forgiveness. So what is it? Because forgive other people, it's not to forget. This is something that a lot of people make a mistake. Oh, it's like if someone did something bad, you have to forget that. No, you have that. It's part of your para law of to remember. It is okay. You need to have you can have that in a memory. But then whenever you grow that access to this hollow memory, you, it's because you become more mature too, with an eye of opportunity, of a fire of learning, of taking lessons to grow. So that's a very smart way of the person. They want to learn with the success, and also to learn with situations that were not not the best kind of situations. So they choose so to themselves not to do not keep any kind of like a bad energy or any kind of pathosanity, any kind of like a pathological scene also. So the person goes through some kind of trauma. The person they can go ahead, see that what happened, and learn from that option, but then move on with your life. But there are some people who like to stay together with that bad experience. That can happen, and they keep that process a year, 2 years, a whole lifetime. So the best thing is to study your past lives, but don't be hurting or with any kind of revolt or upset, just to learn with that what happened, but to move forward in a fraternal way. So they can see they're more ready to forgive and then to carry that weight in many lives. So that self-love starts very much with my self-esteem. So if I need to share that with the cosmos, the first thing I need to like myself, have an affection with my own self. And how do you develop that? Is to valuing your own consciousness with your strong traits. Understand that you do have weak traits as well, and we are learning to how to develop that. And we have also some traits that we have missing. So even though we have all these weak traits, but use the strong traits that I have to help others. throughout my strong throats and having these other traits, the weak traits and the missing traits too. But then you develop more of self-love and self-esteem through that. So you want to share that more with other people. So you end up starting forgetting about your own belly button to think about others too. Then it comes the 7 ways there, the extroversion of the mega strong traits. So using all my the experience that I have to evolve the good experiences and the bad experiences that in the first step you can see as in a trauma or any kind of a fail. No, it didn't fail. You can get that and learn from that experiences. So you start to learn also what is who am I on the best attitudes that I had. So what is that the mega traits, the more positive mega traits that I developed throughout the many lives. So whenever the person starts to understand that it's stronger traits and develop that in more relationship with others, the person becomes more fraternal. So they're going to be even more than fraternal. They're going to be mega fraternal or maxi fraternal. So the max fraternity, they go through this extroversion of these positive traits. So if someone would like to understand a little bit more about that, is that the book about Diana Rosa called Megatra 4, the mega strong traits. What is best about your behavior, your acting. So this Megatra 4, it needs to get into your cosmoethical personal code, and you have to put it together in every behavior together. But once you understand that, you can use it on a daily basis. So the more you use that, more evolved you're gonna be. Okay. So to put everything together, so the more fraternal is the consciousness, the more respect and diverse and defense of everyone's minimal rights. So the more fraternal, the consciousness, the more lucid of one's own commitment towards the evolution of all beings, the power duty. So whenever I'm more aware of that, I use more of the power duty. If it's like a max pro access, that's going to involve more consciousness too. So if it's like a small pro-access, it can be something that I just need to get over. It can be just towards a family or a smaller group. But with more fraternity, more commitments you have with more consciousness. So the more fraternal the consciousness, the more in tune it is with the cosmoethical flow of the cosmos. What is more correct, what's more linear, what we call the orthosanity. They start to have more orthosanity in the more correct way. So the auto mega fraternity, it goes through in a concept that I'm bringing here, is to value your own self, being fraternity with your own self. That's the behavior of self-forgiveness, and to study yourself in the different eyes, of to change your own, because evolution is change in a matter of behavior. So you understand what your strong traits. Maybe sometimes like they might have a trait, the other person, it might be small for you, but for other consciousness might be something big. So how many lives it took for you to develop that strong trait? So value itself, value that. So dealing with your own weak traits, whenever it's something that it is incoherent, that is not positive, it's not you use many techniques to overcome. And like for an example, missing traits. Look for others also. Say, oh, I don't have this kind of trait. That's something positive that I can do. So looking to have more linear kind of behavior, to have more evolved kind of feelings. So this this line that you have, this own equilibrium, it gets the person out of the being impulsive, but it goes more and it drives the person more to more evolved kind of feelings and emotions. So the capacity, for an example, the self-esteem as well, so that refers to the ability to do intraphysical recycling. The self-kindness refers to the ability to be benevolent towards oneself. So the self-respect refers to the ability to respect one's limits. You see where you can go, or we see what is your line of that you're not going to be overwhelmed. The self-worth is respect to the ability to have self-esteem. It's not a relationship to you to others, but how you see towards yourself. Are you better than what you were about 5 years ago? 5 years ago. So that's what matters. So then these relationships, they get it together with these relationships. So the self-forgiveness, the unforgiveness refers to the ability to have benign self-evolutionary rigor in strength, to see that you are a single consciousness and you have a lot of value in these ideas. So mega fraternity is to evolve, is to grow the aspirations of the mega fraternity, lived with maximum amplitude. So it goes through our life and with our extra physical communities also, like a negative negative also communities also that has to do with like a warlike kind of scenes and to evolve and to grow that towards with a consciousness that has more equilibrium, more harmony. So this harmony gets together all of those scenes of mega fraternity in these places. So then these images here, it is not the cosmos, okay? So remember, this is not that so that's a belly button that you see in the image there. Then he's saying, remember, this is not that the center of the universe. So we have a verbatim here saying the lucid exit from the navel trench brings the recognition of the expansion of the evolutionary group towards the cosmos, the galactic multitudes, and the amplified consciential dimensions. So they understand that the person is not the center of the universe, but they are part of this macrocosmos, and you see that they are aware of this barrier, these gaps that we have, and you can donate towards other people too. And they see towards others that they have, whenever have the more OBEs, you see that they have more opportunity towards others. So finalizing, so some competencies here. So here I'm going to bring some to think about it, okay? So welcoming. Welcome is the practice of welcoming at the first step of establishing, having established that their own universe with others. There's no mega fraternity without helping others too. So that's why you have to get out of your belly button. So you go beyond this basic of your self-research to see what is beyond that idea of the consciousness, without the self-forgiveness there of recycling, without like a self-forgiveness too, of this idea of not being together. Whenever you do this OBE, the more you can see is that this other consciousness who are revolted and they're sad or they're not happy, and then they get together this basic idea. So So they set themselves free from that. So it's a way of thinking, a way of behaving of those saints that are more cosmoethical also. So the last thing here that we have to think about it is the book of the 700 experiments. We're saying that a consciousness always evolve together. So no one rationally gets separated. No one loses anyone. So let's try to understand as soon as possible to love, forgive, and help everyone. There's no other alternative between us. Nilis mediums east, so there's no middle ground. So the consciousness gets tired of getting behind the evolution. So Maxi Fraternity is a principle imposed and discovered little by consciousness through its own evolution. So everybody, we looking towards mega fraternity. So this is something that is within evolution as well. That you get out of your own belly bottom to become more with more harmony and with more fraternity. So this is our conclusion. So who understands this fraternity, it sees how to love this love in the cosmos, on the ways that it's unnecessary kind of fighting and so on. So this is something that I brought from the early beginning. That part that is part of my behavior. It is a fraternal kind of behavior. So this whole reflection that I would like to leave it here, and that with everything, and get it together with the cosmos.
Wow, excelente a sua apresentação.
Excellent your presentation. Thank you very much. I'd like to ask you one question. It's more a comment than a question.
A sua casuística sobre isso.
I would like to bring your experience, your practical experience. George Clooney gave an interview. You don't learn with success. You learn from failures.
O sucesso ele não é dependente de você suceder várias vezes. Ele, na verdade, é construído pela...
The success is built on the failures.
Que a gente teve frustração,
even though there is some could be frustrated, we had problems, we have failures. So that's how can you correlate this with mega fraternity or fraternity? Valdo Vieira has pensado, mega fraternity was born from the interprison. It's the learning that from all experiences, evolutionary experiences we had. What's the distinction? From success, we also learn, but sometimes, even with the failures, and especially the more we learn to learn from the failures, the more evolved you're going to become. We are training ourselves to have a more fraternal view, a fraternal perspective, to learn from that, from the perspective of evolve, to grow. And in this life, very limited view, and they don't see the failures as opportunities to evolve. Yeah, so from one perspective, it looks like it's a completely loss, a completely failure, but from an evolutionary perspective, there are lessons that he or she could have learned. That's what we call evolutionary intelligence. With the evolutionary intelligence, that we are going to develop the evolutionary fraternal feelings. And those scars that happened during many lives that we had. So we are going to overcome those, bad experiences with others, and also start to actually give back to other person or other people. And those experiences will help us to evolve. So we learn from success and also from failures.
É o princípio da ProEx, né? Da
It's
maximização,
the Proaxis
o
principle.
princípio da correção dos erros.
It's the
Então,
principle
tem
of doing
situações
things
como essa,
right.
nós vamos estar corrigindo
There
enganos,
are some
e tem
sequences
situações que nós
that
vamos estar
we are
maximizando acertos.
repairing,
A
some things
pessoa
that we've
entende
done
pelo
maybe in
próprio,
other
ela
life that
usa essa
were wrong,
intelectualidade dela,
but
e o outro não,
will
fazendo um
understood
processo de
that
paradigma consciencial
I
correto,
had to
ela
fix this,
maximiza o
and
acerto.
that's the
Não, ela já
evolutionary
fez muitos
process.
extratos. Hoje ela está naquela
Now
fase desensinando que ela ensinou
it's
errado,
fixing
para
those
para a pedagogia.
bad
Então,
ambos
fazem parte de caminhar para a
your
megafraternidade.
acts in the other lives that were not cosmoethics.
seguida, a
Now you
gente
have the
tem uma
opportunity to
pergunta da
make those
professora Eliane
reparations with the
Rosnato.
other
Ela fala o
consciousnesses.
seguinte, que a família nuclear é a nossa
The
primeira oportunidade
the
para
family,
entendermos a
our family, the
fraternidade.
close relatives,
Como
it
as
is the
pessoas
first
que têm
step
família nuclear mais
to
patológica
in
podem
terms of
superar
develop
e
this fraternity.
sobrepairar esta lacuna.
Perfeito. Então, veja, Eliane, é um grande desafio do intermissivista, né? Eu cheguei
And
à
how to
Conscienciologia com
overcome
17
those
anos.
maybe
Eu ouvi o
relationships we
professor
had
Robert
even with the
falar,
family
ele
members.
até ele falava assim, eu abençoo esses jovens que têm famílias complicadas, né?
So people
Famílias
that have
onde
like complicated relatives,
não sobressai só os aportes equilibrados, mas sobressai os aportes desequilibrados.
but
Olha o termo que eu
so
estou
those
utilizando.
experiences, even
Sobressai os
with
aportes
people that are born in a
Porque nós somos
family
levados
that
a
have
aprender ou
challenges.
levados a
So
desenvolver
going through those
consciências
challenges and
mais
learning
alta
from
defesa
them,
energética,
it is one opportunity
mais
to
conexão com
evolve,
a
to
nossa
become more
consciência,
resilient, to have
mais
more
acesso, às
understanding,
vezes,
more
no
being
nosso
more
caso,
fraternal
intermissivista, que a gente
with
fica
those
incomodado com aqueles
consciousnesses.
afetos. Então, a gente tem que
So
compreender
to
aquela pessoa
make
que
an effort
está
to
com um ponto
understand that they may not be on the
e ele
same
está muito
level,
preocupado.
evolutionary
Então, eu vou
level.
pensar como que eu posso
Então,
conviver com
how
essa pessoa.
can
Nós somos
I
levados a
still have a
pensar mais
relationship
mais cedo.
and
Atender
even
os
be
conceitos que vêm
assistential with that
Então, o
consciousness?
intermissivista, ele tem
As
aportes equilibrados.
intermissivist,
Eu gosto de
you
pensar
have those
dessa
traits
maneira,
that
aquele que te facilitou
those
a
traits
evolução, que veio
that
contribuir, que veio
came that
contribuir
you maybe you're the only
resolver
person
muitos
in
ramos da
that
evolução, e tem
that
aqueles
nuclear
que não fazem
family
parte
that you have,
dos
your relatives,
parasintéticos.
that
Eles são
you have the
opostos.
opportunity to
Qual a
help them
oportunidade de
to
estarmos
evolve.
assistindo, às vezes, as consciências que
It's the
não têm
assistential
entendido, para
opportunity
contribuir para
to
desenvolver esse
other
estado hoje.
consciousness
Oportunidade
that
de
you
estar
have that
aprendendo a lidar com
relationship
consciências com esse nível de
and
desequilíbrio.
learning how to
Então, é
deal
uma
with
oportunidade
them.
evolutiva.
It's
Alguns
an
terão essa
evolutionary
oportunidade de
opportunity.
diálogo.
Some will have the
Outras
opportunity to
não.
talk.
E uma coisa que eu
Others that
pergunto
may not
por que
be
nós não temos
open to
espaço
that yet,
para
at
ter uma
least.
interlocução, um esclarecimento? Vamos melhorar as energias para essa pessoa.
So we also
Seja
help them with
presencialmente,
our
presencialmente,
energies
ou seja,
when we are
distante.
together,
Mas a
even
partir das
from
energias, a
distance,
gente cria
because
ambiência
the
para um
energy
mais equilibrado,
transcend the
para que elas se
distance,
sintam
the physical
para que
distance.
os amparadores possam tirar algumas
So the
consciências
helpers
com
also
o
can
perfil nessa
help in
pessoa.
this process
E
because
isso as
with the
pessoas
energy
melhores
that you're
completamente
donating,
conscientes.
the
Nós não precisamos
helpers
ficar sabendo.
will
Nós
help
vamos estar
those
nessa
other
conversa todos
consciousnesses
os dias.
by
Nós vamos
taking
colocar o rosto
care
dessas pessoas
of,
na saúde
the
mental e jogarmos as nossas melhores
the
energias.
intruders
Nós
that
somos
are
puxa o tapete, aparentemente,
interfere with those
para
other
limpar essa consciência que
consciousness
a
in
gente
your
faz todo
family.
dia na sua tenebres. Mas isso
If you're
acompanhado
practicing
através
Penta,
do
you also
interassistência
help,
intermissivista.
especially when you
E
start
isso a gente vai
Penta,
estar limpando tanta coisa que a
to
gente não
you're
tem
cleaning
noção.
up the house
Quando
that
nós
maybe you
chegarmos
not
na
even have the
consciência
idea how much
e nós
you are
conseguirmos
helping
ver quem
around you,
quem nessa
and then in
escala,
the next life or
aí a gente vai
or
falar,
when you
uau,
decimate, you're
por isso que a
doing another
megafraternidade, que a
you become another
interassistência são
intermissivist, doing
vetores
another
evolutivos.
intermissive course,
Porque a
you
gente vai
will
perceber o
see
quanto que a gente evitou
the
ser
positive
vítima do
impact you
cenário,
had.
ser vítima dos contextos e tivemos resiliência e inteligência
Sometimes
para
we are
superar
victims
a
of this, but
metodologia que
we had the
aparentemente é justamente o
resilience
contrário.
to
É que apenas
overcome
sucumbir,
and
a
have
gente usa isso
that
como
positive approach to
nos
try
leva a
to
alavancar.
understand the
Eu
other
tive uma família
consciousness
assim,
and
ainda
help it.
tenho,
I still
e
have
as
a
lições que a
family
gente tirou
like
ao longo
this,
desse
and
meio
those are
século
the
de estrada,
lessons
vamos
that I
lidar
learned from like
com os karmicos mais
my
complexos.
50 years with like this
Muito
more
bom.
Então, Mona,
hard
só para
group of
fechar dando um exemplo do
karmics
professor Waldo que ele
that we
colocou,
have.
falando da pré-intermissiologia, até para não
So we're
passarmos
talking
do lado. Então, ele
another
deu aquelas
thought from
coisas e
Valdo.
vivemos o momento do próximo curso intermissivo, né?
So we are
Pré
living
o
in a
próximo
moment
curso
that
intermissivo.
what it
Nós
is our
temos o
next
conceito desse de
intermissive
pré-intermissiologia,
course
desse
that you're gonna
período
go
pré
through.
a próxima
This is
intermissão.
pre When we decimate, we are gonna, some will go through an intermissive course. You're gonna come and have an opportunity to come back and help the very same group. Maybe in the other life, I'm gonna resonate with the very same group, and I will learn more and have this cosmovision. And in the next life together, how can I help them even more? And just being with them in their environment will help them. Will maybe avoid some accidents.
Aí vocês vão arranhar as
Then
paredes da Mega
we are gonna scratch the walls of the Mega Fraternity. You're gonna help others without even asking for anything for yourselves. Mega Fraternity, it's an elevated feeling of mental somatic feeling. Our cosmovision about this needness, the needness from this other consciousness. Maybe this be the first time they're coming with their resume. So our part of law, it is to help them. That's when you implemented this, you have the vision. That's you're applying the Mega Fraternity. That's the concept of Mega Fraternity, from more a feeling to a more mental somatic approach with the cosmovision, understand like a more 360-degree vision. And that, as intermissivists, needed to look at in those environments. It's more challenge, but that's that's what we should be doing. How to have Mega Fraternity with rival consciousness. You could have been intruders in other lives, and then we have difficult to give forgive them. The first step is to understand that it is hard to forgive and do a self-learning process. And to go through this recycling process of you understand yourself, being a self-scientist, a self-study. Why do I have those difficulties with that person? What it is the difficulty that I'm having? What it is? What the traits that I see in this person that it is bothering me? Maybe there is a relationship that maybe I should recycle that in myself. Then it doesn't matter. Probably the other person may not even change, but this trait could have bothered me in the past. But now, after recycling this, I will be able to not be bothered by that again. I'm not trying to avoid the person, but to see from other perspective, from other eyes. We create power structures to understand those not evolved consciousness, conscience or consciences. Now we are having a more fraternal approach. This is a self-development process. And all of us see those type of consciousness. What is it bothering that consciousness that it is bothering me? So that's why I need to understand better from my perspective. So maybe I can recycle that. And in this process, I will help that as well. The self-understanding, self-diagnosis, and self-overcoming those maybe traits that I'm seeing in another consciousness, but I may have that as well. And don't fall on those traps once again. And that's how we evolve. And how we become, we create that resilience to be more stable, to help those not as stable consciousness. We need to be able to take that step back and understand and see how you made those changes to become a better consciousness. There is another question from Leopoldo. He asks, the Mega Fraternity, is it an intrinsic value of the evolving process, of the evolutionary process? Yes, it is. It is an intrinsic value. The more lucid the consciousness becomes, the more he or she understands the mega fraternity. In summary, everything that intermissivist does, it is actually focusing on the mega fraternity to have this harmony with the cosmos, and even the dispersity, to reach the imperturbability, and everything that's going around you, you become that resilience to be able not being bothered or have that imperturbability. It goes toward directly to the mega fraternity. So we started seeing those experiences from a different perspective. We actually started looking at those challenges in a more proactive way, how can I learn with this? How can this help me to become better? Having more examples. It becomes values, an intrinsic values in our manifestation. And we reach that point that we want well to everybody.
Quando ele aprofunda o contato com a monja, aquela serenona.
He's given an example about when he reached one of a concierge. She was a source of love.
Eu quero chegar nesse ponto.
And this is a step, and we need to evolve to be able to even to understand this type of consciousness. This mega fraternity view starts to open up more, and starting to see more on a day-to-day activities. Is it the way we should see? So the more you see this, the more we evolve, we become more lucid. We started to open up other doors. When we see those low levels of lucidity, we started to see, we start to experience more opportunities to understand a more elevated feelings. You started to see more a generous state, a more elevated feelings that are usually not valued on a daily basis, but become more present in your life when you have more lucidity to understand what it is going on around you. And you're going to go close to the cosmos. And that's why we start to see this from a macro perspective, this mega fraternity level. You are just in fine-tuning, integrated in retinolarity with the living the fraternity on a daily basis.
Ele questiona como fazer parte do grupo de estudos da Mega
And
Fraternidade.
how to be part of this group that you've mentioned at the beginning, that the group that it is studying the Mega Fraternity.
E sobre esse grupo de estudos agora.
Yeah, he's leaving his contact information, his email. So sending my email. So it's been a little bit about a year that we are studying this. We have a project to study the principles of fraternity, principles of mega fraternity.
Que a gente pode usar no dia a dia para conduzir e tomar decisões.
And the visions of what the daily activities we can take to reach that mega fraternity.
Mais mega fraterno, agimos de maneira mais mega fraterna.
To be more, we are studying this more than 180 principles to reach that. Then we have a proposition to create a CI, a Conscienciology institution just for that. And that's we wanted to reach out through email, and we meet on Wednesdays. It's 2 hours that we debate and we talk about this. And having more people, it is something that it's gonna be very interesting.
Perfeito. Muito, muito
So
obrigada,
thank
professor
you so
Marcelo,
much,
pela
Professor,
sua
for everything,
disponibilidade, pelo
for
seu
being here,
fraternismo,
for your
né, por
fraternity, for
responder às
everything,
nossas perguntas.
all your
Ah,
answers.
enfim, o nosso tempo já
So our
terminou,
time is
né?
getting over.
E passa muito rápido quando
It
tá
goes so
bom.
fast.
Então, se
Eu que agradeço.
você, nosso amigo que está assistindo, gostou da
So
entrevista, por
if you like
favor,
everything
deixe o seu
here, so
joinha,
please go ahead and make
inscreva-se
that
nos
a
nossos
like
canais. Obrigada por
and
estar
subscribe,
conosco
please, in all
hoje.
our
E no
channels.
dia 1º de junho,
And on
nós
June
teremos a
1st,
professora
we're
Eliane
going to have another
Volstad
professor,
compartilhando sua
Elaine
experiência sobre
Wolaski,
grupo
talking about
carmologia, que de
her
certa
experience of
forma
group of
vai acabar
cosmology.
explorando a mega
They're going to be
fraternidade
talking about
também,
mega
né?
fraternity as well.
E com o foco principal
And
em
the main
termos
focus
de
here
melhorar
will
as
be to
nossas
improve
relações
our
familiares. Então,
family
essa vai
relationship,
ser a
our
nossa
relationships within
próxima
our family. So
entrevista,
that's going to be
que voltará
our next
ao horário
interview.
original e
That's
que
going to
será
come back to
feita no
the
idioma
regular
inglês,
time, okay?
ok?
And that's going to
Essa
be a
é a nossa
lecture
entrevista
in
com o
English,
professor
actually.
Marcelo.
So
Depois vai
here
ser
we are doing,
disponibilizada
we're going to
no
put it
canal do YouTube
together in our
para as
YouTube
pessoas que não
channel.
puderam assistir
So for the
hoje.
people who
Então,
couldn't be here
professor
right now.
Marcelo, se você puder fazer os
Professor
seus
Marcelo, thank you so
últimos
much. If you want to do any kind
remarks.
of last remarks.
Então, primeiro eu quero agradecer
So
pela
first
sua
of all,
oportunidade,
thank
né,
everybody.
e dizer que a Mega
And
Fraternidade
to
é
say that mega
fundamental para todos
fraternity,
nós
it
na
is
evolução.
unavoidable
Mais cedo ou
for
mais
everything in
tarde,
our evolution.
nosso
Sooner
nível
or
de
later,
melhoria nos abre
our level of harmony
dessa
is going to open
perspectiva
itself to
de
this
que a Mega
perspective
Fraternidade é inevitável na evolução,
that
igual
it
está
is
na
completely
definição, quando vem a
unavoidable.
mega definição, a
So
gente fala
whenever we
desse
get the
caminho todo
definition, we
voltado
got
nisso,
all
que
this
é meta
this way, and that's
inevitável
a
de todos os
closed
pontos
loop,
de vista.
and it
Eu
comes back
convido a
together
acompanhar nossas atividades,
as the
tanto
definition.
internacionais, a
So
partir
we
dos
want to invite
festivais, e
everybody to
também
our
futuramente
activities and
da IC, quem
to
sabe
be
daqui a um
part
tempo,
and
da Mega
hopefully
Fraternidade.
in the
Então,
future
deixamos
of
aqui
be
aberto
part of IC.
esse canal de conversa
So
e
we want to
aberto também
get
para
it together
aparecer nos
here, and that is
projetos
this
desses por aí.
channel
Obrigado
of
pela
discussion.
oportunidade.
And thank you
Nós
so
que
much for the
agradecemos.
opportunity.
Muito obrigada.